Here we have one of our 427 500 horsepower small block Fords. Just did some dyno pulls, doing a valve train inspection. As you can see, it's got Scorpion roller rockers. It's got the Dart Pro 1 cylinder heads. The hydraulic roller motor, we have that custom ground by comp for us. It's got a 4340 crank, H-beam rods, custom J&E pistons, tool steel rings. It's got the Edelbrock Air gap, MSD Pro Belt distributor, quick fuel SS 750 on top. This has got the vintage air front end. Nice setup. Naturally, we're charging the alternator, make sure it output. And basically, when you receive your dyno sheet on this, you know, these are to take about 15-20 horsepower with pulling a load on the alternator. So naturally, it's going to be down from 500 as we rate it. So just be aware of that. You'll also get a packet of all the specifications of the build, clearances, torque specs, how you figure compression, all that will be in there along with your dyno sheet. Show all the parameters of the O2, oil pressure, power, torque. Highly recommend installing an O2 for your carburetor exhaust system in your vehicle. There'll be a tag on the distributor. Don't lose that tag. It basically will tell you the ignition parameters. For timing, they'll have two functions that are one at 1000 RPM and one at 4500. 4500 is naturally all fully advanced, and that typically is around 32 degrees, but definitely look at your card just to make sure of that. That's what we're really worried about. When it comes back to idle at 1000, it's going to kind of bounce around. It'll give you kind of a rough idea where it should be. So, but definitely check that when you fire it up. Just because it's dynoed here and set doesn't mean somebody hasn't hit it or something, so don't take that gamble. So basically we'll button her back up and make some more pulls.